We are taught in school that fire needs oxygen to burn. So, how does the sun burn in the absolute vacuum of space, where there is no oxygen at all? The shocking truth is, the sun is not on fire. It isn't burning like a giant piece of wood. Instead, the sun is a massive cosmic nuclear reactor. Inside its core, the gravity and pressure are so intense that hydrogen atoms are smashed together to form helium. This process is called nuclear fusion. It releases an ocean of energy, turning the sun into a glowing ball of plasma. So, the sun doesn't need oxygen because it isn't burning, it is fusing. It has enough hydrogen fuel to keep glowing for another 5 billion years. Subscribe to Astro Shayan to uncover more secrets of our cosmos.